Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, in the lively 1970s, there lived a bright young schoolteacher named Judith. She was known for her warm smile, radiant spirit, and a heart full of dreams. Every morning, she would step out of her small but cozy apartment, her books in hand, ready to inspire the children of her neighborhood with stories and lessons about love, life, and hope. One sunny afternoon, as she was walking home after a long day at school, she hopped into a brightly painted yellow taxi, her favorite, driven by a cheerful man named Danny. Danny was a cab driver with a heart as big as the Caribbean Sea, known for his infectious laughter and his stories about life, love, and the island's rich history. His eyes sparkled with kindness, and his voice carried the warmth of a Jamaica sunset. That day, as Danny drove her through the bustling streets, they struck up a conversation about everything: music, reggae rhythms, and the dreams they held close to their hearts. Judith shared her passion for teaching, her hope to brighten the future of her students, while Danny told her about his dreams of opening a little music shop someday. Over the weeks, their paths kept crossing, each ride turning into a little adventure. Danny would play soulful reggae tunes on his radio, and Judith would hum along, her spirit lifted by the melody. Their friendship blossomed into something sweeter, a mutual warmth that felt like the gentle Caribbean breeze. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting gold across the island, Danny stopped his taxi near the beach. With the sound of waves gently crashing nearby, Danny looked into Judith's eyes and, with a shy smile, whispered, "Judith, you know, from the moment I saw you, I felt a special kind of warmth. Like the sun on my skin or the beat of a reggae song. I think I've fallen in love with you." Judith's cheeks flushed with happiness, her heart pounding like the drums at a village festival. She reached out and took his hand, saying, "Danny, you brought so much joy into my life. I feel the same way." From that day on, their love grew like the lush green hills of Jamaica, strong, vibrant, and full of life. Judith continued to teach with even more passion, inspired by her love for Danny, and Danny kept driving his taxi with a new sparkle in his eye, knowing he found his heart's true rhythm. And so, under the warm Jamaican sun, their love story became a beautiful melody, one that would echo forever in the joyful spirit of the island.